Why is it that the most abundant element in the universe, the one that fuels the stars and fills the vast expanses of space, is also the very same one that's so vital to our lives here on Earth? That's right, we're talking about hydrogen, the first element on the periodic table, and quite possibly the most important one of all. How the person with name H leads into the society to be number one in their oriented field. Why the H theory is continuing again and again. At its most basic, hydrogen is a simple affair. It's a single electron orbiting a single proton, making it the lightest and most fundamental of all the elements. This simplicity, however, is deceptive. Hydrogen, despite its minimalistic design, is a powerhouse of potential, and it's this potential that makes it so critical to our world and beyond. When we talk about hydrogen, we're typically referring to its most common form, diatomic hydrogen gas, or H2. This colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic gas is surprisingly versatile. It's been used in everything from industrial processes to rocket fuel, and even in generating electricity and powering vehicles through fuel cells. Its highly combustible nature makes it a valuable source of energy, but it's also what makes it a challenge to handle safely. But the story of hydrogen doesn't end there. No, far from it. This humble element, so light that it floats away into space if not contained, is the primary building block of the universe. It makes up about 75% of all normal matter, and stars like our Sun are composed mainly of hydrogen. This is where the true magic of hydrogen comes into play. Inside the Sun and other stars, hydrogen atoms fuse together in a process called nuclear fusion, releasing vast amounts of energy. This energy is what powers the Sun, giving us light and warmth and driving the processes of life on Earth. So, in a very real sense, we owe our existence to hydrogen. From the water we drink to the sun that warms us, hydrogen is a fundamental part of our lives. And it's not just us. Hydrogen is a key player in many of the universe's most important processes. It's the fuel that keeps the stars shining, the ingredient that makes water possible, and the element that kick-started the formation of the universe itself. In conclusion, hydrogen might be simple, but it's far from insignificant. It's a powerhouse of potential, a key player in the universe, and an essential part of our daily lives. From powering stars to powering vehicles, from making up the majority of the universe's matter to being a key component of the water we drink, hydrogen's importance cannot be overstated. It's the element that started it all, and it continues to play a vital role in our world and beyond. But how the person with name H can have same qualities, we'll see further. How they try to be number one in their fields, how they done it by knowing chemical compound, we will understand it further.